Hey y'all, it is a pretty exciting day because I finally got something in the mail. I have been waiting forever for my brand new Circle Y saddle to be delivered. I custom ordered this saddle at the National Finals Rodeo while I was in Vegas, so that was in December. It is now May, and I get to finally unbox what I ordered. Basically, my entire life, I have used second-hand saddles. I have never gotten a brand new Western saddle before. Although second-hand saddles get the job done, I'm very excited to have this custom one made just for me and my horses. And of course, I wanted to unbox it with you and show you the very first look at her. Circle Y is known for top quality craftsmanship and beautiful detailing, and that is just one of the reasons I decided to order a Circle Y saddle. A few years ago, I rode in a used Circle Y saddle that I almost bought because it fit my Arabian mare very, very well. If you didn't know this, I have 6 Arabian horses, so those 6 horses that I have are quite small, quite petite, and so I really wanted a saddle that fit them well. For my quarter horses, I currently use a Billy Cook roping saddle, and it fits all of my quarter horses pretty well, but for my Arabians, it's too long and way too heavy. So I decided to get this Circle Y trail saddle with a short skirt so that it will fit my Arabians, hopefully very well. I'm excited to get it out today and test it on each of my horses just to kind of lunge them in it and see how it fits. And of course, put my first ride in the saddle. Like I said, this saddle is going to be used for trail riding, and I'm very happy with kind of the simple tooling. It's very beautiful, but not too flashy. For the most part, comfort was my objective. So the short skirt to fit my Arabians well, and then a nice comfy seat for myself. This is a 15-inch saddle.